and welcome back to our foreign kitchen. My name is Victoria and today I want to show you our foreign way of making pancakes, which are stuffed with sweet cheese. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. The first part of the recipe, we need 500 grams of cottage cheese, 100 grams of jam, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, 10 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. I always start by preparing the filling first. We're going to place all our ingredients into the bowl, starting with cheese. Now I'm using 0% fat to save some calories. You want to use a fork to press down on that cheese, smash it into small fine pieces so it's easy to mix, and then we can add the jam. Jam gives the color and the sweetness to the filling, so depending on your taste, you can use a different flavored jam. Next steps are very simple. Place the sugar, vanilla sugar and sweetener in a bowl and mix everything until cheese has changed the color. I am using a vanilla sugar to enhance all the other flavors in the recipe. For the main mixture, we'll need 100 milliliters of milk, 285 grams of flour, 2 large eggs, 10 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, and we'll use 240 milliliters of water. Now grab another bowl and start by cracking in 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and sugar and start mixing. When the mixture becomes even, then we are going to add the milk. Now it's time to add the flour. We are going to add only a little bit at a time so it gets evenly mixed in. Whenever the mixture gets too thick, then we're starting to add water. And repeat that until the flour is completely mixed in. As you can see, my mixture is done, so I'm going to add the oil. I choose to add oil into the mixture rather than a pan because it will mix in evenly and each pancake will have the same amount of oil, which will make it easier to calculate the calories. Now the mixture should look something like this. My feeling comes from experience. However, if you're doing this for the first time, you just need to make sure that the mixture doesn't come out too thick and feels a little bit runny. Now, guys, listen carefully. This might be the hardest part of this recipe. You need to heat up your pan on a medium fire and use a 0-calorie spray to cover the pan. Grab a full ladle of mixture and while circulating the pan, start pouring the mixture inside. You need to be quick and smooth, otherwise you might run out of the mixture. Whenever you see the bubbles starting to appear, you can then flip the pancake. Ready pancake should be light brown color, you don't want to burn it. Now it is time to stuff those pancakes. For this particular recipe, I weigh out 100 grams of filling and spread it across the pancake with a spoon. I personally like to measure the filling out so that I know all the pancakes are equal size. We're going to start by grabbing top and the bottom of the pancake and fold towards the middle. Then grab each side and do the same. When that's done, you want to fold it once again, one on top of another, and repeat that to all of the pancakes. To fry those pancakes, I'm using butter, roughly 5 grams per pancake. You can always stick with a 0-calorie spray, but there is a big difference in flavor. So if you have a few spare calories, make sure to use butter. These pancakes can be stored in a fridge or a freezer, and you can just fry them later on in a week. They taste just like fresh. Now you can decorate the pancake whichever way you like. I usually stick with some fresh fruit and a little bit of jam on the top, just to keep my calories to a minimum. Okay guys, now I have showed you our foreign way of making pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you give it a go. I'll leave the nutritional information somewhere on the screen so you can have a look. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like this video and we'll see you next Thursday.